So nice, huh? So nice to meet you.
Thank you so
From
much.
Italy.
From Italy, yes.
What's your name?
Marco.
Martico.
Yes, Marco from Calabria, South Italy.
Martico. Martico, right?
Marco, yes.
Martico.
Like Marco Polo.
Marco Polo, yes. Marco Polo travel in China.
Yes, so famous.
Everybody know famous. And my name is Jack Chen.
Nice to meet you.
Similar, just like Jackie Chan, but different.
Marco Polo and Jackie Chan.
Marco Polo and
Wonderful
Jackie Chan.
couple.
Yes. So I make an interview. I go around in Huaqiangbei. I finding the buyer and I connect some factory so that I can interview the buyer to the factory and cut the middleman. So middleman is no middleman in between. It will more easily to make a business for both of yours.
You know what, for my experience was in this month, was difficult to find because I want to bring some items of new technology in Italy and in Malta where I work, but it's so difficult here to find suppliers
Yes.
that give to you the certificate to export these items. Most of them, they say to you,
Yes.
I have all, but maybe sometimes they don't have a full of certificate, maybe are expired.
Yeah.
So it's need time because for them is like important a market B2C.
Yeah. So what kind of product exactly?
Now I'm living and working in Malta, so I found like a submarine scooter.
Supermarine is
Yes,
scooter.
it's just to swimming with the scooter.
Swimming
Yeah,
inside the water.
yeah. And I found another item so interesting is a goggles to
Yes.
swim,
Yes.
but with holograms, so you can see which distance, the cardio frequency. So I like so much to swim because I'm in Malta, and it's interested that items I want to bring in the highland.
Thank you for your interview. Huh?
Thank you so much
Yeah.
to you. It was a pleasure to me to know you, to meet
Yeah.
you.
Me too. Huh? Okay.